We are heading to pick up our Neon Carnival tickets and Revolfest tickets, or wristbands.
Because we're motherfucking influencers.
This is my first year going to Coachella, and I am so excited. And I'm so happy I have someone to go to Revolfest with.
I know.
Because I was so scared I would know no one there. But TK also reassured me that every influencer is going to this, so I probably know some people there.
You'll be so fine, and it's so fun. Like, Allie and I are actually gonna party when we're at Revolfest.
I'm so excited. I'm so hyped.
We have to go in, get our content, and then so we're good, and then we'll party.
It's gonna be wild. I'm so curious if I'm gonna enjoy the parties more or the festival. So
they're just like, to me, they're not even comparable.
Yeah.
Like, it's like, obviously the festival is like the end all be all.
Yeah.
But I would say out of all the parties, Revolve is
like
the best.
Yeah. I've only heard amazing things about Revolfest. I'm seeing so many TikToks on my For You page of like micro influencers being so excited to go. It's hyping me up. I'll check in soon.
We'll sing for your vlog if you want us to.
Oh my god, yeah.
Oh my god!
Give us a little tune.
Yes, give us a dance.
Oh yeah! The Revolve girlies are lit. We are finding the Neon Carnival check-in. We're not really sure where it is, so we're trying to locate it.
Turn right into back alley.
Person's in there. Your favorite person.
You're right here.
He's in there.
Cal?
Yeah.
Cal's here.
Cal's here.
Cal's here. Doll check-in. Doll check-in. So I just left and I'm en route to Remy's in preparation for Coachella. So tired. It took me so long to pack and it was honestly pretty nightmarish. I had to fit everything into basically a carry-on, but luckily it's only 3 days, so I don't think I need to stress out that. I also did like little nail stickers and they got messed up because before they dried I fell asleep and then they got all crinkled. I just took the Uber. I was literally half asleep. We are packing up the car now and I'm so excited. This is my first Coachella and I've only been to like the little Coachella parties, but I've never actually been to the festival. So I'm so excited. So we have Revolve Festival and then we have some Neon Carnival, which I heard is like a really exclusive like VIP party. And then we have Cal.
What's up?
Are you excited?
Very excited.
So we have just made it to the gas station for a little filler up, and I guess I should stretch. We're getting a hydrating beverage. So yesterday Remy calls me and she's like, oh. I'm scared. Remy calls me yesterday and she's like, what do you want from Erewhon? And I told her I'll just get whatever she's eating as long as I get a hydrating beverage. But I said it to be funny because anytime anyone goes to Erewhon, they get like a juice, a little smoothie, and they explain it like that. So I was like, as long as you give me a hydrating beverage. They're fighting. Oh my god, they're fighting. The dolls are going to the gas station just like Miss Lana Del Rey.
Give us a haul.
Hello.
Oh.
Not me choking. We got some fierce hydration. Gatorade. We got an icy, of course. And then we got Ruffles. I did not want a bag this big, okay? Don't judge me.
Well, you
I
can
wanted
share
a
with the
small
car.
one. I can share.
I actually want some, yeah.
Okay, good.
Yes.
That's
Yeah,
fierce.
Celsius, the classic.
It's
Cal
classic
snack.
car driving snack.
And then this for potential.
Everyone got good snacks.
Potential midnight.
Hello, everyone. So we dropped off Remy so she could pick up her passes. So we are the first people in the house, and it is so nice and beautiful. Look at this. Come in, come in. All right, so I'm assuming this is like a bar area. Also, not this. This is hilarious. Also very Ash and Nicole energy. Here's the fireplace, the Wi-Fi. There's some games in there. And then the whole kitchen is really big. So pretty. And then let me show you guys some of the rooms. So down here, we have a bunk bed situation. And then let's go over here. So I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna end up staying in this because obviously I'll change. This is my room for now. and hopefully I get to keep it. And then the bathroom is right across. And then over here, we have the Marie Manor. I believe Alicia, TK, her brother, and her brother's friend are gonna stay in here. There's also like extra pull-out beds, and then their bathroom is over here in this huge closet, which obviously Alicia needs a huge closet. And then over here, Miss Remy and Co are gonna stay in this room. There is 4 of them, so I'm gonna assume Remy and Cal are gonna share the bed, or maybe Remy and Ryan. And then Kaylee and Ryan are gonna be over here. And then here's like the extra beds and stuff, which very convenient for an Airbnb. And then what I loved is this bathroom. It is beautiful and huge. I want to take a bath in this. And I love that it has a shower with a seat. So we do have a little more people staying with us. So there is also a guest house in the back. I'm gonna show you guys. We have Ryan in the backyard taking some Insta selfies. There's like a water fountain. And then over here is a little tennis area or pickleball. Great photo taking spot. Great photo taking spot over there as well. And then over here is like a little table to hang out. And then there's like this little bar area over here. Oh my God, little eggs. You can have a little egg chat. Let me show you guys the guest area in the back because this was really cool too. So over here, there's like this little apartment. We're gonna shove the other couples in here. I feel like they would appreciate this. The lighting in this house is so good for vlogging. I am so excited for the vlogs I'm about to make the next few days. So make sure you guys are subscribed. Make sure post notifications on. It is going to be crazy and I'm gonna show you guys everything. Comment down below what you want to see in these Coachella vlogs or just on my channel in general. I love the feedback and I love to hear from you guys what you like seeing on my channel. But I think I'm gonna unpack a little bit. I think I won't reveal all my outfits today, but I'll do it day by day per vlog so you guys can see what outfits I decide to wear. The vibes will just be immaculate. And also, I spray tanned again, and look at that. It always happens to me. Phyllis here and local celebrity Nate Sapal.
Honored to be here.
Famous. Okay, the party is officially started. Sir. Oh.
Cut that shit
One more try.
Cut the cameras, da-da.
Give us a serve and slay.
Serve and slay.
Oh my God.
That was good.
Oh! Miss Remy got moves. Oh! I love that we're just sitting here watching. There's an audience now. We are going to the grocery store to get some stuff for the house, and I'm excited. Oh! She's singing! New album coming soon. The electrolyte and White Claws in the front is sending me into orbit the second you walk in. I like this duck. You can never have too many bananas. What is this? This is literally me. The pose, everything about it. This reminds me of those TikToks where there's that guy who rates the quality of all the waters. Yes, when we're on the same For You page. Smart water. It's always good, I think.
Smart.
Ladies and gentlemen, quite the haul.
Get you a boyfriend that's amazed by anything you do.
Miss Alicia Marie, what is that?
Will you?
Oh my God.
I want to spend all weekend with you.
Oh my God.
Will you do me the honor
Yes, I will.
of being my +1?
I'm honored. Not the 3 wristbands.
Oh.
Kind of a nice lineup we have here. Mwah. Miss Remy.
Hi.
With the birthday surprise. So I am going to end the vlog here for day 1, and I have an early morning tomorrow and I want to look amazing for day 1. So I ended up sharing a room with Taryn and I'm so excited, but she got stuck in a lot of traffic. So she is not here yet. So I'm excited to see her. Yes, get into it!